this next equation is a little bit more complicated to solve. As you can see, we have something similar to what we had in the last equation, but now we've got this whole multiplication, distributive property thing going on. Now, many of your math teachers will teach you that you should be doing the distributive property in a situation like this, and you definitely can and should in most cases. But I do want to show you one other option. In a case like this one, where I look and this number here does evenly go into 12, I might just divide both sides of our equation by -4 instead of multiplying it into everything first and then dividing it later. That just kind of seems counterintuitive to me. So this is another option. And I'm going to opt to take it right now. I'm going to divide both of these sides of this equation, which I forgot my dotted line, my number one cardinal rule, and it's going to cancel out here because that is a multiplication problem. If it's addition, you can't just divide by. But since we are multiplying two quantities, and I want to divide by one of them, I definitely can cancel it out. And what that's going to leave me with is -3 equals 3 plus 3x. Now in the last example, the 3x or the x term was on the left hand side, but that doesn't really matter. We're going to go ahead and we're going to take a look and ask ourselves, what should we do? We want to eventually try to get this x by itself. Should I divide by 3 now? Probably not yet. So what I really want to do is I want to get rid of this 3 right here. And I'm going to take it from both sides to make sure that I keep my equation equal. And right here is where a lot of students do make mistakes because they say, oh, okay, the 3's will cancel on the left. Well, no, because the 3's on the right will cancel. The 3's on the left will actually add together and become a bigger negative. -6 equals 3x. It's kind of like owing somebody $3 and then borrowing 3 more. You haven't paid off your debt. In fact, you've made your debt bigger. In any case, 3 of something equals -6, so we are going to divide by that 3 so we can find out just what one something is, which ends up being -2.